Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Darby again. Now that you've measured with dinosaur feet, we're going to use a different object to measure things with around our home. Take out your dinosaur bone piece of paper, and you can see I've already started to cut out some of the bones to use to measure with. And you're going to need to take some time to cut out, about two more if you want. If you want to cut out all four bones, that's fine. I only cut out two bones, but if you want to cut them all out, that's fine too. And I'm going to use the bones to measure some things around our house. You'll also need this piece of paper. That is a non-standard dinosaur bone measurement. And these are the things that we are going to find around our home and measure with using bones. The first thing we're going to measure is a book, your arm or someone else's arm, a pillow, table, and shoe, and a computer or tablet or iPad. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of how to measure with our bones with a book. Okay, and that's one of the items on your paper. But remember, when we're measuring, we want to take the item that we're using to measure with, the edge of it, and line it up with the edge of our object that we are measuring. And we're going to line it up just like that. See how the top of my bone is lined up with the edge of my book. And then I'm going to take my other bone and I'm going to line it end to end with the other bone. I don't want to leave a big gap like that. Okay, our measurement will not be exact if we measure like this. So we want to measure end to end, and we don't want to overlap like this. Can you tell how the bones are overlapping on top of each other? We don't want that either because our measurement won't be correct. So we want to line them up the best that we can, end to end, just touching. And as you can see on my book here that I'm measuring, the second bone doesn't quite go all the way to the end. And sometimes that will happen to you too. Okay, it won't always be exact. And that's okay. But this book is about 2 bones long. Okay, it's not quite enough space down here to add a whole nother bone. Okay, we'd have too much bone left down here at the bottom. So we can just kind of give a close to measurement. This is close to being 2 bones long. Okay, all right, now you go ahead and cut out some of your bones on your paper, and take your paper and a pencil and have some fun measuring with your dinosaur bones.